part number 15. So the part number 15 is this is part number 15, drag plate, which is again FE410W. So to do that, we have this 15 part number wherein we have this cross section of this, and we need to create this part. So if you are considering this as the front view, and this will going to be the side view now. So to do that, so first we will go to tools, ordered, disable the base and enable base reference planes. So click on home, click on sketch, click on coincident plane as this plane as the front plane. So then we need to take the radius of 66, wherein it is from 115, which is the radius. So you will take offset, take the distance as 115, and you just go to project to sketch, accept. You just take this and also take this, and then go to offset 115. From here you take offset 115, and then go to fit, then go to extend to next. You take this and go to circle, take this end point and take the radius as this is the radius what you are talking about. So radius 115 is the radius. You take 115. Then to this you have 66. So go to offset. Go to offset. Take the distance as 33 from the center. So you take this and also you take this, and then go to trim and trim this portion. And then from here says 90. So go to offset, take the distance as 90. So from here you offset by 90. So then go to trim corner between these two, and between these two, and then between these two, and between these two. Once you do that, then go to select and delete these unnecessary lines, and then go to close sketch, click on home, click on extrude. So click on this and take the distance as 30 mm on this side. So we have this side, then go to finish. Once you do that, then in the right side we have a radius of 15. So we need to create this. So to do that, so go to home, click on round, take the radius as 15, take the radius as 15, and click on this side, click on accept, click on preview, and click on finish. So when you take up this, now we can see the rotation of this on this side. And similarly here, and then we have a counter bore, the counter bore from this side. So to do that, so go to home, click on hole, click on coincident plane as this plane. So in this plane we are creating the counter bore. So to do that, so go to hole, and this is the counter bore option. So go to diameter of 45, and then this diameter, this is the counter bore diameter of 45. There is 13 mm depth, and this has got 33. So to do that, so you have given 45 and this distance is 13. So you give the counter bore depth as 13 and this diameter as 33, and click on OK. Click on OK. Now we will go for project to sketch. OK. So this distance is from the top side, what he has given the distance. So we will go to include this and go to select this also, and then go to offset, take the distance as 14 plus 41, which will be equal to 55. So from here you offset by 55, and then click on this and place it here, which is the intersection point, and then go to close sketch, and this will going to be the finish. So we have the counter bore which has been done here. So this is the portion which you need to create. Then once you do that, we are going to have a tapered hole. So to do that, so here this tapered hole is at the center, which is of a distance of 15. So go to home, click on sketch, click on parallel plane, click on this, and you take it inside by 15 mm. Then click on this. So now you are going to get this. So then we have click on project to sketch. Okay, click on this. So then you go to offset, and you take this hole and also on this side, and click on offset, take the distance as 14 mm. Then you take it on this side and offset here 14 mm. Then to this you take 7 and the one side, so distance of 7 from this side. Then we have a taper which is of 1:50. So that means you have 1 divided by 50, 1 divided by 50, 1:50, which is equal to this into 66 mm. So that will be equal to 1.32 is the overall diameter. So when you do that, that means when you have 14 mm as the one side, so it will be diameter reduced by 2. So minus 14, you will going to get it as 12.68 divided by 2. So you are going to get it as 6.34. So that should be the offset distance on the other end. So go to 6.32, 6.34 is the distance on the other side. So from here you offset 6.34, then zoom area, you take it inside, then go to line, take this endpoint. So from here to this is the taper, what you are going to get. Then go to select this line and delete it, and similarly you select this line and delete it, select this line and delete it. Then go to trim corner between these two, between these two, between these two, and between these two. Once you do that, go to close sketch, then go to home, click on Revolve Cut. So click on this axis, accept, click on this axis, we need to revolve it through 360 degrees. So this is how you will going to get the model. Once you get this, now we need to go to application button, go to information, go to material table. So for 15, so the material what you have is Fe410W. Click on this, click on apply to model, click on application button, click on information, click on file properties, click on summary. So here we have 15. So you take drag plate, then you say okay, click on save. So come down to 15, it is drag plate again. So click on save. So this is how you will be able to create this model, and finally you exit this part.